Hi guys, and welcome to the channel again. I know it's been a while and it's great to be back doing the readings on the channel. I thought let me record some quick readings for each star sign just to get us back into the groove of things. I know I've been away for a while on this channel. It's because I was giving my attention to my other cooking channel, Love Extra Cooking. I'll put the link down below so you will get that. And I thought, what better way to start the new half of the year, because the solstice is coming up on the 20th, 21st of June. So it's winter solstice in the southern hemisphere and the summer solstice in the northern hemisphere. So we're going to get right to it and pull up some cards for you. And we'll start off with Aries and go down the line from there. So let's get started. Hi, Gemini. Welcome to your reading for the solstice coming up in June 2021. Winter in the southern hemisphere and summer in the northern hemisphere. So let's get right to it. Your card for the solstice. We're going to pick a couple. Ooh, okay. This one popped up. Focus. Sorry, actually two popped up. Let me pick up this first. Miracle. There we go. You have beautiful card, miracles, and I've drawn in this card to the light there. Similarly, ironically, Taurus had one before, but that was the rainbow. This is light. And the second card, as we've got it, is focus. And it seems to be that this person in the card is focusing, but holding on to what's in their lap. And the third card, ooh, you got the soulmate card. Beautiful. That's gorgeous energy. Even in this card, you can feel the use of colors mingling and that energy it exudes. I really love this set of cards. It's the Angel cards by Doreen Virtue. It's the old pack, but I've always loved these cards. And I think it was one of my first set of cards. So let's get right to it. You have beautiful sets of miracles, focus, and soulmate. And in this card, I was just saying that it looks like the person's focus is away, but they're holding on or touching something quite important to them. It looks like a ring of roses here, yeah? And so I always think that the pictures and the cards help us to ascertain the message better. And the roses here, it just feels like there might be something important to you, something close to your heart. You know, the rose is close to the heart. And you, instead of focusing on that, which is on your lap, you're getting distracted with different things. So the next 6 months would be good for you to remember your whatever brings you freedom of heart, freedom of mind, freedom of body, freedom of soul, and to focus on that. Stop looking so much outward at things that are the focus of others for their heart, mind, body, and soul. Focus on your own heart, mind, body, and soul, and that'll bring you the miracles. And in this, you can see also there's a light, and she's looking at the light. The focus is there on this. So remembering to use the message from this card of looking away, focusing on without rather within, will help you get laser focused, focusing on your light, what brings you joy, and that will attract your miracles. Yeah, follow your heart, your mind, your body, your soul, your intuition, your ideas, things that you wish to bring to light and into life and speak into existence. And the last card we got was soulmate card. So that might be one of your aspects you wish to bring into light, soulmate energy, or attracting that, or manifesting manifesting that, or even if it's not the soulmate card, similar to the Lovers card in the tarot, it can be signifying of love, but not necessarily always love without. It could be love for yourself. It could be self-love, love energy, self-care. It could be loving yourself. And often when that happens, you actually attract love without even meaning to. So just your own self-love, self-care attracts that out. So this card could be twofold. It could be self-love. It could be soulmate energy love. It could even be agape love, friends, family, whatever it is. But honing in on what, again, brings heart and joy to your heart, mind, body, and soul, attracting those miracles of seeing those come to light. Like I feel in the next 6 months, from the June 2021 solstice, you will be seeing things coming into light. You will be seeing fruition of those. And a rose, it's a plant, it blooms. You will be seeing the blooming of those coming to light. And when it does, you will almost like a rose coming into fruition. You will see the fruition of the love energy, whether it's in your own life or in, whether it's for yourself or in for a soulmate energy. And it's a beautiful card. It's a loving energy, but I see this towards the latter part of the year. The latter part being November, December-ish, and remember, time is fluid, but that's the part I'm seeing. So it's almost like you're working in yourself and attracting those miracles. And when I say working in yourself, I mean focusing on what brings you joy, not just work, not just, oh, what do I wish to create and bringing light to that, but making time for yourself, for things that bring you joy, for things that bring you care, self care, whatever it is, even if it's having a cup of tea, taking some moments to rest, rejuvenate, bringing the magic back in your life, appreciating the little things and seeing the little things in life um, coming into fruition, because things don't just pop into the air. I mean, a rose doesn't just bloom. It has a seed that grows, that is nurtured, that is watered, that has sunlight, and it slowly grows. So that card, I think, helps, I think, set the tone for the whole 6 months that you have of focusing, nurturing, bringing light, air, sunshine to those seeds that you wish to bloom, and then watching the miracles occur during those 6 months, like mid to end of those 6 months, and then towards the end, seeing that soulmate energy, that love energy exhume, like that blooming of that energy, and again, it all in your own life, meaning for yourself, but also sharing that, I think, maybe in a couple, and whatever a couple is for you, sharing that with another. But more importantly, it's just the blooming I'm feeling is feeling so much of and so in tune with yourself, and that love energy for yourself, that it's almost like the couple aspect is a bonus. The couple energy or the soulmate energy coming is a bonus because you've already feeling that energy, and that's the energy I feel for you towards the end of the year. After you putting in this, it's almost like a determined focus, like your first card of love and light and joy into what brings you joy, what brings you love, what brings you light, of all the magical things that you wish to create. I hope that makes sense for you, Gemini, and I hope that the next 6 months from the June 21st solstice coming up is amazing. It really looks so from your cards, and you can see them one more time. Lovely energy of cards. We've really got some magical energy, and I'd love to hear what you wish to create, the dream you'd like to create in your life. So feel free to comment down below on what it is you wish to manifest, what dreams you wish to make true alongside your beautiful life, and create those. So have a wonderful 6 months, and see you soon. Bye. Hi guys, so happy solstice again, and I just wanted to share with you. I was sitting outside, and today is the solstice, and 20th June, and it looks so magical with the orange shade. It almost looks like the lights touching the earth, and I'm near the sea, so it looks like, in Brother Bear, when the lights touch the mountain and it's the solstice time and it's this magical energy. Well, it really feels magical, and I just wanted to capture this moment and share it with you with your solstice reading. So let's see if I can change the camera over. Okay, there we go. You can see the orange sunset just beginning to happen, and I love how it just touches the edge of the horizon of the ocean, and there you can see it, the waves with the orange lights. It's just really beautiful, and it looks really magical at this time of the solstice. So here we go, just sharing that with you. And I hope you have a great solstice, a great year, and a great rest of the 6 months until the next solstice. So remember, the day and night is equal in the southern hemisphere and the northern hemisphere today. Beautiful energy, and just enjoy the energy, guys. Take care. Bye.